Marriage between persons of the same sex is prohibited. The supreme law of this country, called Uganda, states that. And who are you? The organizers of the gay parade, which had been planned for Saturday, 6 August 2016, are advised not even to think of it. Stop it, because this activity is unacceptable in the norms, standards, prescriptions of this country. Government of Uganda will not condone the promotion of the illegal activities of the LGBTI movement. Absolutely. Through the Uganda Police Force, government worked to ensure that the criminal and illegal activities of gay community were halted on that day, and we will continue to suppress them. A program to rehabilitate members of LGBTI community with the ultimate aim of giving them a chance to live normal lives again has been developed in my office. And government remains committed to ensuring that Ugandans live to their cherished values and principles.